Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter here at the workbench. And I wanted to bring you up to speed on what we accomplished in 2025 as a channel. I have some notes. 358,100 views, up 705%. 13,000 plus hours, up 513%. Subscribers, up 1,300 or so. That's 1,000% gain on the year before. Now, as to revenue only kicked in mid-year, and I'm wishy-washy about continuing it. The revenue was under $500 for the entire year's work. Yep, there you go. Now, I've had to buy some things here in the shop and put some of that money away, hoping to be able to expand the video gear. I do need a new microphone, but that leaves me with a question. Shall I continue with the monetization? Do the ads bother you? I personally would like to take monetization off and come up with a better solution. So, for instance, 1,300 new subscribers. If each one would have given me 40 cents, I would have ended up with the same monetization. So there is something called membership. And you can always make donations to the channel, and a few of you have, which I want to thank you profusely. And also the gifts of the stones, the lapping fluid, and a few other things that have come my way. Thank you. But looking for input here, okay? Not saying what decisions are going to be made, but should I keep monetizing? Should I shut the monetization off? Should we look at membership? Now, I'll give you my take on membership. There's something called a barrier of entry, okay? A barrier, right? A wall, a fence. That barrier of entry is the dollar sign. Most people, self included, will not pay to watch YouTube videos, figuring it's free. But we all know nothing is free. So, looking for input. I could, one option, I could split my content to membership content and free content. The free content could be snippets taken from the membership content. So there still would be free information out there, still get, plenty of videos out there for people to watch. Take the monetization off of those and then have the membership content, which would be the full length content. So the other barrier of entry besides just the $sign is the amount. I used to subscribe to some channels through Patreon and through other video platforms when they were $1 a month, $2 a month. That wasn't going to break the bank. But when they went to $5 a month, $10 a month, I was out. Done. I can't. I miss some of the content, but so I'm looking out for you. I want you to have the best experience possible with the least amount of disruption, advertising. And if we do a membership, how much should it be? $1 a month? Should it be like, I kind of wish it was pay-per-view, because that way you're not locked into something every single month. If you want to watch a 30-minute video I'm doing on sharpening or on planes or on making a plane or on building something, you pay $1, you watch it. So, looking for ideas. But that's about it. There'll be some interesting videos coming up following this, and I hope you like them. The monetization still is currently on. So let me know. And don't forget, like, subscribe, and share. And go out to your shop and go make some shavings. Walter out.